If you want to take a screenshot on the Xiaomi 15 Ultra, you can use, for example, the power button and volume down button shortcut. So you can press both of these buttons at the same time. And then over here, as you can see in the top right corner, we have the preview of the screenshot. We can actually tap on it in order to make some changes if we want to. And we can save it by pressing this check or delete it by pressing this trash in the top side of the screen. And also there is a gesture that we can use in order to capture the screenshot, and that is 3 fingers gesture. We can scroll down like this with 3 fingers, swipe down, and as you can see we can also capture a screenshot like that as well. Now if any of these don't work for you, you can go to settings, then we can go to additional settings, gesture shortcuts, and then take a screenshot. And as you can see we have both of these gestures or shortcuts that we can enable and disable over here. But that is not these are not the only ways that allow us to take a screenshot, because also there is another way. We can go, for example, to the control center, and here we can find this button here, the scissors. So we can tap on it in order to also capture the screenshot. As you can see, the control center hides itself in order to reveal the screen, and then it captures the screenshot. If you, for example, for some reason don't have this button anywhere over here, then you can scroll all the way down in the control center in order to find the edit button, and then you should be able to find it somewhere over here in the system toggles. Once you add it, then you can press this check in the top right corner in order to save these changes. And that is pretty much it in terms of capturing the screenshot. Of course, we can also perform, for example, the partial screenshot. The easiest way to do so is by also using 3 fingers, but instead of swiping down, we can press and hold on screen. Then we select the area that we want to capture. And once you are done, we can press save over here at the bottom right corner, or we can use any other options over here. So let's say I'm gonna save this. And this also can be enabled and disabled in the same place as before, but this time we need to go to partial screenshot, and here we can enable and disable that gesture. And also there is the long screenshot or a scrolling screenshot, which works when you have an app or a website where you can scroll. So for example, if I capture a screenshot over here, I'm gonna use 3 fingers in order to capture the full screenshot. Then we can press scroll over here, and we can keep scrolling in order to select the area of the screenshot that we want to capture. It goes rather slow, but let's say I wanna capture a screenshot up to this spot, so I can press done. And there we go, I have the full screenshot over here. Now let's save it. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!